Hello everyone, my name is Arlene Perez. Today I will be walking you through the focus process and how it connects to the 15 principles of design. So what is the focus process? Focus process helps guide us in creating designs that are not only visually appealing, but also communicate effectively. It's broken down into 5 main stages: formulate, organize, contrast, unify, and simplify. Together, these categories help designers move from an idea to a clear, impactful message. Now, I'll show you how I applied one design principle from each category using real-life product examples, comparing what works and where there's room for improvement. So the first of the 5 principles will be formulate and message. So as you can see, we have 2 products here. One is the Nair Wax Strip Kit versus the Billy Wax Strip Kit. On the Billy's packaging, it is clean and modern. It communicates its values, natural ingredients, that it's cruelty-free, and body positive messaging without distractions. On the Nair's design, well, it is informative. It is visually crowded. There's a lot going on with floral graphics, scent descriptions, and multiple claims on the packaging. Billy's design feels intentional and focused, and Nair could benefit from narrowing down visual language to better support its core message. The second of the principles will be organized. We'll be focusing on the alignment part. In this photo, we have 2 salad dressings, one from Panera and one from the H-E-B Organics line. And Panera's label uses consistent alignment and spacing. The text and imagery are balanced, guiding the eye naturally. On the H-E-B Organics label, it feels more scattered. The raspberry image and the organic badge and the topography are all competing for attention. Panera's alignment creates clarity and flow, while H-E-B's layout could be a little more refined and support visual hierarchy. The third is contrast, and we'll be focusing on color. In this photo, we have 2 self-tanning products, one from Bondi Sands and one from Jergens. The Bondi Sands uses bold black and gold to signal luxury and intensity. It immediately communicates ultra dark and stands out on the shelf. The Jergens self-tanning product, while the bottle is elegant with bronze tones, it blends more easily with the rest of the fonts. It is softer but lacks visual punch that the Bondi delivers. So Bondi's color contrast grabs more attention, and Jergens could use a stronger, more contrast to reinforce product. Next is Unify, and we'll be focusing on repetition. In this photo, we have 2 hand soap refills, one from Method and one from Dial. Method's design repeats clean shapes and minimal topography. The bottle, label, and color palette all work together, while Dial's label has more going on its label. It has different fonts, icons, and the layout style that doesn't really connect. Method's repetition builds unity and brand recognition, and Dial could really benefit from streamlining its visual elements. The last we'll be focusing on would be simplify and the elimination stage. In this photo, we have 2 coconut waters, one from Vita Coco and one from Goya. Vita Coco's packaging is clean and modern and uses minimal text with a clear color palette and simple imagery to highlight the product's natural appeal. Goya's label is busier. It has splash graphics, bold fonts, and visuals that compete for attention. So Vita Coco shows how elimination can strengthen clarity. Goya could simplify its layout to better highlight the product's freshness and purity. So in closing, these 5 examples represent just a portion of the full framework. 5 out of 15 principles of design that make up the focus process. By applying one principle from each category, formulate, organize, contrast, unify, and simplify, we move from scattered ideas to purposeful design. It's not just about making things look good, it's about making them feel clear, connected, and intentional. When we design with focus, we create work that resonates.